Hello, my dear friends, and today I will be showing you how to...
Oh, you're crying? No. You're fucking crying, that fucking bitch. You're the one who's hurt. Most self-centered, idiotic person I've ever fucking met. You fucked my ex, and you're fucking crying? Are you fucking kidding me? I'm sorry, but I don't give a shit who's fucking who, okay? If you're gonna keep talking about it, get out of the room. Are you fucking kidding me? You fucking my ex? Are you fucking kidding me?
Attention everyone. DJ Loon is planning bomb on beat.
Bomb has been...
Na firma do Pod 10 rola muita putaria. Na firma do Pod 10 rola muita putaria. Novinha então cai pra treta, vou machucar tua vagina. Novinha então cai pra treta, vou machucar tua vagina.
I feel like I could be Batman. I feel like you could be Batman. Anybody could be Batman. You just gotta get the gadgets. Gadgets.
Top 10 ingredients to make a godly mix.
Number 1. Rexona Girl 24-hour intensive pussy wind Hello Kitty antiperspirant.
Wake up and get cream. Yeah. Cash through everything around me, nigga, and everything in between. What he say? Twin. Let me pop my shit. Yeah, I ain't signing opium, but I went Cardi on the wrist and held it up as high as it can get. I'm in the air just like Shador. I went Balenci on the boost for all the time that we was poor. Now, everything I got, I own it. And that sucker shit, I don't condone it. So, whatever you want, we own it. And whatever you eat, we with it. I say I know my mama proud of me. I came from penny pinch. Young nigga came from nickel and dime. Young nigga came up off a quarter and I got the pound like 50 cents. And I'm all about $1 came in, but the last time I paid rent, little nigga, what you know about having a mortgage? Little nigga, what you know about HOA? Y'all still doing BOA? Y'all niggas weak SWV, and I'm breaking that thunder like SG8. I'm breaking that thunder like OKC, and I'm making it clear like TSA. I'm dead for real, BBC. This shit head bigger than B2 Kite.
Yeah, geeking and tweaking, I cannot move my hands, front is fire. MVP like shady, bitch get shy around my guys. I throw her fives, I don't tell lies. Yeah, beat it till she slide and go outside. Honey, I'm with the misters, huh? Ride with a missile, everybody eat shit.
The day that I met you, I started dreaming.
In the club, hopping with my niggas. Kodak poppin'. All love, rockin' on them jiggers. On the money. You ain't talking money, I don't need it. You ain't gotta touch my own feet. That's true. Boy, about my stuff. All my niggas monkeys, we gorillas. All my niggas clutching, we some hitters. Birds on my timeline, call it Twitter. I'm in the club, poppin' with my niggas.
Trying to get open, fires away. Bang!
Get it crackin'.
Bitch tryna get wife with my dick, she can't get up. Smoke up by the thought, if you want it, we can get up. Locked out in the room, will a take ain't have to get up. Bitch with my loot, what she want, she can't get none. Chicken noodle soup, chopper cook a nigga shit up. I don't want no love, little bitch, I'm tryna get a nut. And my bullet blue, little bitch, yeah, they gripped up. But I'm with my blood, swear to God, we gon' get some. I'm a world rat, if I want it, I'ma get some. Got my fingerprints on some hollow to Charlie lick some. Fuck buying that shit, nigga, we gon' need some. Fuck shooting one time, nigga, we gon' rip some. She drinks lemonade, I drink Lipton. Juice are Minute Maid, nigga, come and get some. Put the Duca down, pussy nigga, put your fist up. Call a D, VIP, we might have to kick some. Lemonade, I drink Lipton. She drinks lemonade, I drink Lipton. Chop up, put bullets in your system. Chop up, put bullets in your system. I can get caught looking bitches not in my system. She drinks lemonade, I drink Lipton. Codeine, promethazine in my fucking system. I can get caught looking bitches not in my system. It's the system, bitch, it's the system. I'm just tryna ball like a motherfucking pistol. Call a D, VIP, we might have